Okay, so I just received the high velocity 9-inch fan from Comfort Zone. We bought this fan to replace one that we used for white noise at night to help the kids sleep. And it looked similar to this. I thought I was ordering a similar thing, but this one's a lot lighter in weight and a lot thinner this way than our other one. It was a little deeper. And there's other differences too, so I'm making a video to show you. In my opinion, this fan is not high velocity, and we specifically shopped for high velocity because we wanted that loud motor, that hum, for the white noise. So I'm going to show you what this one sounds like. That's low, medium, and high. And as you can see, it's really not that loud. And in addition to not being loud, there's some kind of grinding, scraping, scratching sound coming from it, which is unpleasant. And clearly I would not describe this fan as high velocity because I don't hear a powerful motor humming, which is what I was hoping for. So I felt this was quite overpriced and not what we were looking for. So just in case that's helpful to anybody.
Good. It's got a good breeze going. Like it essentially reaches, all the way over here. I'm still feeling the breeze. You know what I mean? So it's got a nice distance to it. But like I said, it's got to be on that third side. Otherwise, it's just you're not really gonna get your money's worth. I just mounted it up there with some zip ties on the frame. Bada bing, bada boom, there you go. This fan right now is in the off position. I'm gonna turn it on. It's on right now, and as you can see, because of that screw, you have to screw that in order to stabilize the fan. The screw touches the blade. It's awful. Please do not buy this fan. You'll regret it. This is got to be the worst fan I have ever purchased. I know it's been a while since I purchased it, but oh my god, it is the worst fan I have ever bought. It barely gives off any wind at all. And it's not worth the money. Don't do it. Had the fan going for 2 hours. And now I turn it on. You can hear the motor humming. The engine's seized up. The motor seized up. Fan stopped working 2 hours after receiving it. So I liked the fan because it was metal, but the motor gets really hot, and now it just stopped working. Try to turn it on. Nothing. See, it starts to, like, wants to turn. It's just shot. It's no longer working. It's just stopped. Do not come on. And it's plugged. And it's plugged in a surcharge. It's not working. Does that sound quiet to you? Not me. I don't know what they call it quiet zone. It should be called noisy. Noisy zone.